Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have a pre-plan with me in my memory keeping planner. The memory keeping planner that I use is the Aura Estelle XSBC Blossom Planner and the Aura Estelle Weekly Inserts. The kit that I'm using this week is by Wendy Prints. It is a sort of crafty themed kit, and I'll just be setting up the base, starting with the date covers and date numbers that came with the kit. These kits do come with a full set of date numbers, which is great, and they seem to be usually in a pretty neutral colorway, so you can pull them into multiple spreads. I did actually pull the following week's date dots, which you'll see in an upcoming video here pretty soon, from this same kit. And as you can see, the tweezers that I'm using are by Revlon. I'm just using those to help me place down those date dots onto the date covers straight. This kit did not come with headers, so I just used the date covers to cover the top row of headers, those pink ones there. I thought that it just worked out pretty well and actually gave me more space at the top of the spread for deco, which you'll see closer to the end of this spread. I've been really enjoying using Wendy Prints kits in these memory planner pre-plan spreads. I feel like there's not too much to work with. I usually have to pull in just a couple of pieces from my collection to fill out the sidebar, but apart from that, I'm able to create a pretty full spread. I might like it a little bit better if there were a few more boxes, but it's really quite worth it if you're doing more of a white space look, which I tend to go for with these memory spreads. As you can see here, I'm sprinkling some of that deco across the top, some of the larger pieces, to fill in some of that white space at the top of each page. And yeah, there's not a whole lot of things for the sidebar in these kits, so I did need to pull in a couple of boxes, I think, that are from Glam Planner, I think, in to fill up the rest of a little bit of space in my sidebar. I also did pull in a lot of pieces from a Wendy Prints freebie, recent freebie I think I got with a winter order. Came with a full box that I felt coordinated well with this kit, a quarter box, and quite a few little deco pieces, so I was able to sprinkle those in functionally into the spread. Starting off with my full boxes here. Oh, and the reason that I pulled in that extra full box is that these kits only come with 7 full boxes, 6 full boxes, I don't know. They come with this full box, the checklist full box, and then it must be like 5 other full boxes, I don't know. You can check out the full box sheet. I don't know why it's escaping me right now. But yeah, so there's not quite enough full boxes to fill out the spread the way I normally would, so having that extra full box from the freebie that coordinated helped out a lot. I just put in the 2 habit trackers underneath that full box in the sidebar, and then I'm placing down the 2 strips of deco washi, one on each side of the spread. There is not a double strip of washi to fill up the rest of the washi section, so what I did is I pulled in this sort of champagne gold thin washi from my collection to cover up that second line in the washi section, which you'll see here. I do like that the washi extends all the way into the sidebar, so that takes up some of your sidebar space, but it doesn't have a wide enough strip to cover the whole washi section, so I did pull in that champagne thin washi from my collection. I think it's just an old one from Michael's. It's Scotch brand, nothing special. And then just using my craft knife to trim off the edges, and then doing the same thing with the other side just to really cover up that that dotted line in the washi area. And then we'll get into the rest of the setup here. Let's see. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in those habit trackers. We'll see when I get to it. Just putting in the weekend script across the bottom of Saturday and Sunday in the washi area. This full box is the one that came on the freebie. I thought it coordinated well enough. There isn't really red in any of the other elements of this kit, but I thought that the pinks matched well enough, so it didn't bother me too much. I just alternated the full box on the top and bottom of each column respectively. And then we'll get into the to dispersing the functional elements as well as the icons and deco pieces here in just a minute. I think that's pretty much it as far as things I have to say about this spread. If you do have any questions about where anything is from, it's pretty much all from the kit. If I haven't explained anything else, I don't think anything else is from anywhere other than the kit. But if you do have any questions for me, planner related or otherwise, please leave them in the comments below. I'm going to put some music over the rest of this, and I'll see you soon. Peace, love, and happy planning, everyone. Bye-bye.